been bringing Chopper to the chiropractic because of arthritis in his hips and knees. And when we first brought him, Chopper couldn't walk downstairs, or pretty much bad time walking. Since we brought him, after about the first visit, Chopper was able to come up and downstairs. Now he runs up and downstairs. To us, it's the best thing that's ever happened to Chopper.
Hi, Dr. Erin O'Connor here from Vitality Chiropractic Center. Just to talk a little bit on Chopper's case. Chopper came in with arthritis in both of his knees, and chiropractic isn't going to cure arthritis, but it's going to get a little bit more movement in that joint and also decrease pain. Chopper was on pain medications before he started chiropractic care, and with his care he's been able to get off those, and he also is able to go back to his normal daily activities. His family says that you can't even tell that he has ever had a problem now. He runs around and plays, digs all his little holes in the yard, and does everything that he should be able to do. There are three main causes for arthritis. One of those causes is developmentally, and if a dog is not developing completely normal, this can put some extra wear and tear on the joints, causing erosion, leading to arthritis. A second cause for arthritis is obesity, and this could either be from puppy stages, from eating too much food and gaining weight too quickly, especially from high calorie, high carbohydrate diets. This puts some extra stress on the joints that can lead to arthritis. And of course, just obesity in general. If your dog is overweight, this also puts extra stress on the joints, and that can also lead to arthritis too. The third cause is trauma, and the trauma doesn't have to be something very serious like getting hit by a car or falling down a flight of stairs, but also micro traumas over time. So these micro traumas can be anything from jerking on a leash, especially if they're wearing a collar. It can also be catching themselves off balance as a car stops suddenly, even catching themselves off balance from landing off of the couch improperly. All of these can cause little micro traumas that cause subluxations in the spine or even extremities, which are misalignments, and that abnormal movement in the joint can cause arthritis. So think of your typical ball and socket joint. In that normal joint, that ball and socket joint should be able to move freely in the joint. If there is some abnormal movement and they're still moving that joint around, there's some extra erosion and wear and tear in that joint that leads to inflammation and then can set the stage for arthritis. So if a joint is moving abnormally, they also will develop areas of compensation, which can also lead to arthritis as well. So the one way to make sure that all of the joints are moving properly, of course, is to bring your pet into an ABCA animal chiropractor, and they can check to see how every joint in your pet's body is moving.
Chopper, come here.
Let's see what we can do this way. Where are you going?
Come here, Chopper. Oh no.